equals your Silvercrest SKMC 1200 makes a dodgy noise. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This issue often happens due to insufficient lubrication in the motor, causing excess friction and resulting in strange noises. By lubricating the motor properly, we can resolve this and extend the life of your device. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.